So all of you, the last time, can you hear me clearly and can you see my screen? Last time before I start. Fantastic. So in today's stream, guys, I will actually go with you in detail on some of the charts, gold mainly, and after that we go for DXY as well for the bigger picture, because actually I missed going with you live. Now hopefully everything will be working fine. If there is any problem again with the connection, we will try to upload this one for the HD version on YouTube. Those of you who cannot see the HD version of this one, you can always, guys, click on the settings and go for the 1080p on the YouTube video. All right. In regards to the Black Friday, I'll discuss this actually. I'll show you this one shortly, guys, for all of you. But again, before we go there, let me actually show you some of the structures, because this is very important. I really hope all of you made money last week. Gold was moving as expected to the upside, and also have uploaded the Wednesday example for some of you. Usually this Wednesday is for the Wednesday sessions are for weighted waivers only. Okay, so we have actually uploaded one of the Wednesday sessions. Non-weighted waivers, they know actually how they look like. It's just one of the sessions, by the way. The big session is on Sunday usually, and the Wednesday is just an update. But even you can see how actually the market was moving and how much money you can make trading the next wave, right? Again, this one of the sessions that you will get access to as soon as you join us. The biggest session, like I said, it will be on Sunday, which will be roughly 2 hours session. It will be conducted by T. Anyway, I'll discuss this with you shortly. I really hope all of you made money, guys, trading gold, because gold was moving to the upside. What is the structure here? Most of you know actually the bigger picture. Okay, so this one, I have explained this more than once on YouTube. This is the drop, up, corrective structure up, and then we've got a drop here. Market was just building liquidity under this low. We've got another structure here. This is called a contracting flat, by the way, those of you who don't know. And then we've got this drop. Okay, all of you are watching, guys, please keep watching till the end. Again, I'll be actually covering more than one chart in detail. I'll show you the patterns. And also, if you have any questions, you can put in the chat. I'll try actually to answer it once I finish the explanation. Okay, so for gold, this is an expanding flat here in terms of wave analysis. This was the first wave, corrective structure drop, and the market started to push up. This up wave, we've made money actually with this up move because we were waiting market to tap 1850. This was explained anyway more than once on our YouTube channel, and most of you know that, right? After this up wave, we've got this drop. This was a part of the corrective structure. What is the corrective structure here, Alan? It's an expanding flat again. So this an expanding flat and this an expanding flat as well. After this, actually the C wave of this expanding flat, a lot of us actually took this buy and we've made money trading this up wave. Some of us still in the buy. I don't want to actually name any one of our members, but some of us are in the buy. And if actually you are in the buy, make sure to keep moving your stops, guys, or at least make sure to take partial profits. Those of you are asking, this is TradingView, by the way, for our chart. The charting platform that I'm using is TradingView. Okay, so you can go for the free version of it. You don't need to upgrade to premium. And if you want to, you can actually go for it for more features if needed. So gold, bigger picture, I think most of you know it, but again, since we were not actually, I was not able to go live since the past few weeks, let me go to the bigger picture to show you some of the patterns. So at least hopefully you'll be able to learn something new. This is gold actually weekly chart, guys. Okay, what do we have here? We have this drop. Just to zoom in here to show the patterns. And this way you'll be able to probably see the patterns next. Okay, so if there is any structure that will actually play in front of you, hopefully you'll be able to spot the pattern and trade the next wave. If you can, guys, time to time just confirm the sound and the screen, this will be appreciated. Okay, so in this case, I know like everything will be working perfectly. Okay, so from this top we've got a drop. This is a complex corrective structure to us. After that, we've got a drop here, another corrective structure. It's a contracting flat. I'll show you why I'm showing you this one shortly. And after this contracting flat, this is a fourth wave, by the way. This fourth wave is a corrective structure. It came into a form of contracting flat. Okay, so those of you who are asking what is a contracting flat, this is how it look like. Up, corrective structure up, this is the contracting flat. Okay, and then drop. If I need actually to draw this one in blue, from here to here is the corrective structure. Okay, this corrective structure came into a form of contracting flat. Make sense? So After this corrective structure here, we've got what? An ending structure. This ending structure, guys, is very famous and it's very powerful structure. As you can see here, this is a contracting flat and this is a contracting ending diagonal. This is called contracting ending diagonal. Forget about what Elliott Waves actually is saying about 5.3, 5.35, 5.55. Forget about these, okay? This is not necessary. What you need to focus on is the structure. Make sense? So weighted waivers, they focus on the structure to trade the next wave. After this ending structure, you've got this up wave. This is another contracting flat. Again, I'll show you why I'm explaining all of this shortly. This is a contracting flat here. This is another contracting flat here. So if you know how to trade correctly, if you know how to read the charts correctly, and you master the asset, the pair, you will know like this pair as example makes a lot of contractions. In this actually way, you'll be able to trade this up wave and make a lot of money. Now, usually I do not trade contracting flats personally. Okay, I like to trade regular and expanding flats as well. But again, today it'll be special, like I said, because I wanted to explain you more. All of you who are waiting for the live session and actually still watching, you'll be able to actually learn something here. Now, it's not necessary to actually start trading from the very first of the move, because with weighted wave strategies, with weighted waves concept, you'll be able to ride the trend. Okay, it's not about actually trading the reversals. Trading reversals is one part. If you know how to ride the trend and trade reversals at the same time, this will be actually, you will have an edge in the market and you'll be able to make a lot of money. At the same time, you don't have actually to trade every single pair, or you don't have actually to click a trade every time you look at the charts. As a Forex trader, you have to master patience. You have actually to master yourself, because you will never ever be able to master the market. Okay? This shouldn't be the goal. The goal is to master yourself and make consistent money on a monthly basis. This is what we are doing, and this is what our traders are doing on every single month. We have a lot of success stories, guys. You can see that actually on our Instagram page, on our website, and even on Slack. This is our private Slack community. Every week, guys, we have success stories. You can actually check here. This is Vanish, actually one of our seniors. It's not his first challenge, by the way. But look at this. This is the power, by the way, guys. Okay, this is the power of knowledge. Check actually the profit trades. Check the loss. Check actually this equity curve. This is what you need to achieve. This is what you need to aim for, guys. Okay. So again, it's not only, I showed you actually more than one success stories previously, but this is just one of them. And we are proud about every single member. Okay, all of them actually are doing great. With actually our monthly sessions, we are doing our best to support our members and give them motivation, give them tips, and explain them more about structures. As example, last week, I gave them actually the November Q&A session. If we go to the dashboard, this is the dashboard actually that you will get access to as soon as you join WTW membership. Those of you are wondering about Black Friday, I'll explain this, guys, shortly, yeah? So if you go to the monthly tab, this was actually November 2023 Q&A session. It was 2 hours and 30 minutes, okay? I covered gold, DXY, pound dollar, Bitcoin, which is very, very important now, and more than one chart for the bigger picture, okay? So this is something you need to aim for, guys, because once you know the bigger picture and you know how to ride actually the trends, you'll be able to make a lot of money, okay? So what after this up wave here, Alan? This was a wave of its own from here to here, by the way. Again, I'm on gold weekly chart. We've got this up wave. I think you know, like this is subdivided into 5 waves. Again, wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4 as a contracting flat, and wave 5 as an ending, contracting ending diagonal. Contracting ending diagonal, guys, is an impulsive pattern, impulsive structure. It came usually at the end of the structure, okay? So your job is to know when the structure will end to ride the next wave. Now, if you miss this up wave, you should not miss this one. That's what we teach actually our traders on how to trade the next impulse. Always remember that, guys. Your job is to trade the next impulse, all right? Not actually to trade the corrections, and not to actually go blindly and buy and sell any of the moves, okay? You have to wait for the structure, wait for the setup to trade the next impulse. What do we have here? We have another structure. This is here a corrective structure. And just to show the power of waves, the power of the fractal nature of the market, back to the daily now. Okay, I was in the weekly chart gold, now I'm going to the daily chart just to show you the power of waves and the power of the fractal nature of the market. Okay, why I'm showing all of this? Because this is textbook pattern. This is how weighted waves actually read the charts on every single day, because they actually have the daily sessions with the seniors, with the moderators. Thanks for confirming, guys, time to time the sound. With the seniors, with the moderators on a daily basis. Okay, this is very important, guys, to have, and very important also to get access to this. Okay, why is that? Because in case the structure will change, in case we have any change of structure or we have any setup, you will get actually the update. Okay, we have almost 2 daily sessions conducted by our seniors and moderators. Again, what do we have here at this level here in this chart? We have this drop, we have this corrective structure, and we have this drop. If I need to subdivide this one, here we have a wave, a corrective structure in the middle. So, and even here we have a corrective structure. So this is a corrective structure of this one, and this is a corrective structure of the bigger irregular flat, and this is also the bigger corrective structure. Why this is important? Because if you know how to read every chart and every move, you'll be able to trade first of all this drop, second of all this up wave, and third of all this trend. Even with this trend, it's actually subdivided into more waves. You can trade this move, you can trade this move, and you can trade this move and maximize profits. All you have to do is to get the knowledge. All right? Get the knowledge first, and then you risk your money. It's so easy to go and just click the buy or click the sell. Okay? But why to do that? Why actually to trade based on emotions? You have to trade what to see, not what you feel. It's always what you see, guys. Everything is plotted on the charts. If you know how to read the charts correctly, you'll be able to make money. Make sense? Is that you guys before I continue? I'll just wait actually some comments on the chat before I continue. Is that clear? If someone also can post, guys, on Slack that we are live, it'll be appreciated. Good. Yes, Jerry, I was actually missing that as well. So also there was, again, another problem with the connection. I think it's because of TradingView and YouTube. I'm streaming at the same time. But anyway, right, all clear. Fantastic. So this is a corrective structure, guys, all right? From here to here. It's a complete corrective structure. What do we get after this drop? We've got this up wave, this up move, okay? After this up move, we were following this one, by the way, step by step, wave by wave, and all of you, all weighted waivers should remember this up wave from here. I think it's on our Instagram page, on YouTube, about the before and after, but I remember that during our Sunday sessions, we said market will be pushing to the upside, guys. And most of you, once I mentioned this one, you will remember this. November, right? You remember this one. This was even like, I think a lot of weighted waivers and a lot of Slack members should remember this, guys, when we covered this. It was covered by T during the Sunday session. This one I remembered actually very well because I was following this one and we're updating you on a daily basis and weekly basis as well. After this up wave, we've got this drop. If you remember this one, guys, please confirm it on chat. Just for those who are actually watching us for the first time. And if you are watching us for the first time, guys, make sure to subscribe to Weighted Waves channel, okay? Because in this way, you will not miss any update. And also follow us on our social media platforms. It's very important, okay? So after this up wave, yes, I give you actually the information about Black Friday once I finish gold, guys. Okay, let me finish just the bigger picture for this one, and I'll actually touch base into the Black Friday offer because it's just for the next 5 traders that they will take it on the monthly and on the yearly. Anyway, after this up wave, we've got a pullback up, a pullback here again, and this up move. This also is an ending structure. Every time you see market at the end of the trend, you see market actually at the end of the trend, moving slowly to the upside, make sure it's actually an ending structure. Ending structure is not an ending diagonal. Ending diagonal is just one part of it, one structure, okay? Ending structure, it has more than actually one form, okay? Everything is explained inside WTW Masterclass and inside the Q&A sessions. So this was an ending structure here. After that, we've got this drop. This drop, I explained it more than once from here to here. I'm following this, actually the wave by wave and the step by step process. Okay, guys? So thank you very much, Nazir, for that. So drop, corrective structure, drop, contracting flat, and then drop. This is again contracting flat. Why this important? Because I just showed you how many times gold made contracting flats, right? One here, back to this chart here. One was here, one was here, and of course a lot more, but just this is that you can just those like that it's visible to us at the moment on this time frame. Okay, so what after this, Alan? After this up wave, going to the 4 hours now. Of course, usually I go for more details, guys, on Q&A sessions. If I need to cover this one in detail, I'll go into more actual explanation. Okay, but for this one, we've got this drop from here to here. This was clear to you, right? And a lot of times we said market will tap 1850 before the war and will not break 1800. Everything was before the war, and market actually went down from here. We've got drop, corrective structure drop, and then the total upwave. This was because of the war. We knew that market will fall before the war. Why this important? Because structure is king. If you know how to read the structure correctly, sometimes, guys, this will be crazy. Okay, this will be scary at the same time, because if you will be able to predict the next wave without knowing actually, or I would say like without looking at the fundamentals. Of course, fundamentals are important. We follow the fundamentals news events on every week, on every Sunday session, but I'm just talking about the bigger picture and about the accuracy of weighted waves, wave analysis concept, okay, and also the power of experience. All right, so after this drop, we've got this upwave. 1850 it was mentioned, and 1800 it was mentioned on our sessions. Okay, market will tap 1850 and will not actually break 1800. Weighted waivers, if you can confirm that on the chat, this will be appreciated, guys. After that, market started to push up. We've got a drop, up, corrective structure up. I'll be going to the 1 hour just for the first time on YouTube again, because I missed actually the live sessions. But after this upwave, we've got another contracting flat here, right? So up, contraction, up. This is a corrective structure. It's not an impulsive wave. Okay, after that, we've got drop, corrective structure drop, running flat here. Pay attention to this one, guys, because I explained something regarding DXY for this in a moment, and then a drop. So this is an expanding flat. All right, so expanding flat, contracting flat here, and after this contraction, market went to the upside to make new top. Why is that? Because this is very, very important. This is one of the market makers framework, guys. How actually is this possible? I explained this more than once, and I will repeat it now for all of you. If you see market going to the upside, and then you've got a drop, up, and then a corrective structure, this is a trend continuation pattern. All weighted waves, they know that, and they know that market will push to the upside to break this top before the fall. Guys, I'm speaking actually fast because I don't want actually the connection to be disrupted again. So I hope like you are following me. Okay, so after this drop, market started to push up here in this way. A lot of weighted waivers get in the buy here, get in the buy here, and are in the buy also from here to the upside. Also, we said we are expecting market to go up, and I'm not sure if actually some of you have heard the levels. We are expecting gold to go all the way up and break 2030, okay, or touch 2030. Again, I'm not supposed to actually give you the levels here because the structure can change, and we might have a change of structure anytime. But this level, it was given way before from here, and a lot of weighted waivers actually they know why market will push to the upside, and they know the details of this one. I have explained this in detail again on on my Q&A session that was conducted on Wednesday, 22nd of November last week. If you want to access this one, it's on WTW actually members dashboard. You can access it anytime you want. So back to this one, I think everything now it's clear to you in terms of structure, in terms of what market is doing, and this is what you need to focus on, guys. This wave, okay? This wave, this wave. Now, what I am here trying to draw is the next impulse, okay? So I don't want you to lose your focus here in this mass, in this mass, and in this mass, okay? So for this one, fantastic, Alan. That's perfect. What's next, please? For this one, I'm still expecting actually gold to push to the upside, guys. Even this is a corrective structure. Even if market will push to the downside once more, which is a possibility, but I'm not seeing this at the moment. Market is exactly in the middle, and we are at the end of the month, okay? Which means you have to pay attention to what to trade and how to trade, okay? Usually at the end, or like on the last week of the month, the market will misbehave, and market makers will try actually to take everybody out before the next structure. Regardless, I'm still seeing gold pushing to the upside. So my bias is towards the upside from current levels, or even if market will break this low once more, one push up will be coming, okay? This actually, guys, my forecast for gold. After this upwave, will update you. So do not miss, guys, the next sessions. Do not miss actually Sunday, Wednesday, and all the live sessions that we conduct, because this structure can easily change. Again, we were in the buy, and some of us are still in. Again, I'll not name actually the members who are still in, but some of the members are in exactly from here, guys. Okay, from 1935, exactly from this level. And they are adding to winning positions. That's the main point, guys. If you master how to add to winning position, that's how you will have a crazy equity curve. Okay, and we will be able to actually help you with that and support you on how to master this. Because if you actually learn how to trade correctly, guys, you need to master yourself, and you need to practice in order to have the experience. Okay, so first thing first, get the knowledge. Okay, so for gold, I covered the big picture for you, and I also go back to the bigger picture just again to show you what market might do here before the next wave. Okay, if this is the corrective structure, because here it's roughly a triple top formation, and this triple top formation, usually we have a lot of liquidity above these ones. Again, I'm back now to the gold weekly chart. This is important for you to know where the market might go next. Okay, some of I would say Elliott waivers and some of wave analysis as well, they were expecting gold to give them expanding flat, one more drop before the next upwave. This is possible, and this related to macroeconomic factors, to the war situation, and to what might happen fundamentally. Technically speaking, this is actually ready to keep pushing to the upside and touch first 2030. After that, corrective structure, one push up, and if we get some sort of ending structure as well here, you don't have to miss this drop, guys. Okay, some sort of this ending structure. Ending structure, it's an uptrend. If you are a trend follower, you can make a lot of money trading this upwave. But again, we might have a change of structure, and a lot of possibilities here might perform. That's why you have to follow us on weekly basis and to follow all the live sessions in order to get the notification what market is doing. Okay, is that clear, guys, for gold before I jump to the next topic? If you can confirm that, guys, on the chat, I can go to the next topic. I'll be waiting just for a few seconds before I continue. Elisa, all good, thanks, perfect. For gold, very, very clear, thank you, fantastic. Okay, I really hope, guys, you are actually, you was able to understand the big picture, to understand the patterns, and hopefully if you see the same pattern actually in front of you on other charts, you'll be able to read it and take advantage of it. Okay, fantastic. Before I go to USOIL chart, a lot of you guys are asking us about what is included inside WTW membership, and some of you are actually not clear regarding that. For this, I'll just show you quickly for just 2 to 3 minutes what is included inside WTW membership and what is the offer that we have at the moment, because this will be one-time offer. Okay, like this will not be repeated. I'm just actually giving you this again, or we have decided to give you this one again because a lot of you were asking about this one. Okay, if there is any more discounts, and some of you were missing the 11/11 sale. Usually we do not do any sale, all right? But this just to help you be with us if you'd like, and if you are really serious about becoming independent, successful trader. Before we go to the offer, let me show you actually what WTW membership is all about before I show you the offer, all right? Guys, WTW membership is an all-in-one solution for serious traders like you. So if your goal is to become an independent, successful trader, succeed in trading, and achieve financial freedom, our mission is to help you with that. You can check all our success stories here and on our social media platform. What will you get with WTW membership? Access to the latest WTW Masterclass trading course. Summarized course lesson notes in different languages: English, Spanish, French, Chinese, German, and Hindi. You will get access to our daily trading room live sessions conducted by our seniors and moderators. We have almost 2 live sessions per day. You will get access to our weekly sessions, one live on Sunday and one as an update on every Wednesday. This is what we will cover. Regarding Wednesday session, we have an example on our YouTube channel. During every Sunday live session, we give trades of the week, and at the start of every month, we give the trades of the month as well. And at the start of the year, we give the trades of the year. Those sessions will be conducted by T. Each month, we have our monthly Q&A live session. I will do them, and these sessions are recorded. You can find the recording archive inside your dashboard. And let me tell you one thing here, every session, guys, is a lesson. On your dashboard, you will have access to the useful links and tools. Those tools, guys, are needed. Also, we'll give you exclusive psychology tips that are updated on a daily basis. And most of you know that psychology is a big part to succeed in trading. If you decide to go for the monthly plan, in 3 months time, you will get access to more strategies, how to double your account in only 3 trades, and access to our private Slack global trading community, where you can discuss charts, post charts, discuss setups with all our traders. Why we trade waves? We have a proof guide that you are successful traders. It's on our YouTube channel. You can see what our members are saying. We are rated excellent on Trustpilot. You can check our Trustpilot profile here, and I suggest you guys to go here and read what our members are saying, so you will have an idea why people have joined us and what they have achieved after few months. 12 plus years of experience, recommended by more than 1,500 traders, 42k plus subscribers on YouTube, and we have traders from more than 180 countries. Don't waste your time and money. Join us today and start learning how to trade correctly and become independent, successful trader. Alright guys, this regarding WTW membership. Now, I would say for the last time, and it's just one-time offer we usually give. We gave you actually 11/11 in the last few weeks, and it was for 20 traders who joined the monthly and who joined the yearly. Today, you will get access to another actually 12% discount. I'll explain this shortly in detail, but this will be just for the next 5 traders who will join the monthly and the yearly. Once 5 traders will join the monthly and 5 will join the yearly, the code will expire, okay? And again, this will be for life. Like if you join this one using the code, or if you join today, every month you will get actually the discounted price, okay? It's not just for the first month. So if you join now, you will get this discounted price for every month, okay? Now, in regards to this one, it will be again only for the next 5 traders that they will join. I'll be going to the website now just to explain you this one in detail. If you go to the website and you click on sign up now, okay, you'll be redirected to this page where the coupon code is already actually applicable. If actually you go for this monthly, it's 12% off discount, okay? And this 12%, it will actually either after the 5 on monthly and 5 on yearly will take this one, or on the 27th of November, this code will expire, okay? So these are the 2 options. If you go to the yearly is actually, it was already 18% discounted, and we have added 12% on top of it. So overall, if you just do the math between monthly and between yearly, here you will be saving roughly 25%, okay? If you go to this one, this will be the best, I would say, option, because this was already discounted 18% off, and we have added 12% off on top of the yearly 18% discount. So all in all, you will get this one for roughly 25% discount, okay? So back to this one, you go for the monthly or the yearly, it's up to you. But if you really want actually the best value, for us, it's not good for us as business. But for you, if you want the best value, you go for the yearly to actually get that, okay? So it's 1,032 now, exactly. So if you go to the yearly, you will see this actually what you will be charged for every single year as long as your subscription is active, okay? So back to this one here. This actually what you will get. Do not miss this opportunity, guys, because this will be actually just again for the next 5 joiners. Okay, this regarding the Black Friday offer. Hopefully, some of you are actually who missed the 11/11, you'll be able to get this one. All right. Back to your questions. Elisa, one question: why were you so certain gold wouldn't break 1,800? Very good question. again, guys, this session or this live session is for you to answer your questions and try my best actually to give you as much as I can in terms of questions. But anyway, for this one, Elisa is actually, she's asking why we were certain that gold will not break 1800 because of this. If I go to this drawing tools and I mention this one, we were expecting market to make new top, okay? And if market will trend to the upside, we were not expecting market to break this low, which is actually 1800 here. That's why market was going to the downside, give us an expanding flat trap. This was a clear corrective structure, so we were 100% sure, I would not say 100, I would say 90% sure that market will drop from here to break this low, okay? Now just imagine if you have high probability chance that market will break from here, from this, exactly from this top, all the way down to this low. This is a big move, guys, okay? Now, if you know how to trade this move and maximize profits, that's all you need. Now, once market breaks this low, we're waiting for 1850 because 1850 is a round number and something we're actually missing to the left. We're actually watching something to the left. I cannot explain here because this is not fair for weighted waivers, but we always look left before we predict the market and before we go to the next structure. Okay, I hope this is clear, Lisa, for you. Regarding that, gold analysis was top class, fantastic. Best community, thank you very much. If gold, great, thank you very much, Jerry. What was the regular discount for years? So regular discount, again, I think this was explained, yeah? So usually it's 18%, the regular one. We have added 12% on top of it. Everything should be clear. If you have any other questions, you can go actually to our website and or you can send us an email at info@weightedwaves.com. All right? By the way, guys, all of you who want to pay via crypto, you can just go to the pricing page again, just to go for here quickly. Pricing page, and you scroll down all the way to the FAQ section. If you have any question, you go to FAQ section. And if you still have any questions, you send us an email at info@weightedwaves.com. This is only our official email. All right? I saw 5 days. All right, perfect. Right, fantastic. Thank you very much. Right, this is done. Fair point, fantastic. Okay. Right. I'm just reading, guys, some of, because I don't want to miss any question today from you. I'm taking yearly. Yeah, no problem. You are welcome. All right, fantastic. So this regarding gold, guys, I think everything is clear. Let's go to USOIL. Again, if anyone have any question about WTW membership, I think everything was explained in the video. If you still have any question, you can ask me here on the chat, or you can send us an email. USOIL, for this one, we've got a drop, this 4 hours, corrective structure, drop, corrective structure, drop, and market is pushing to the upside. What's next here? Two possibilities. Either market will go to the downside to break this low once more, which what is expected, or we'll go to the upside before we go down. In all the cases, this is short to medium term, because long-term view is actually towards the upside. Which wave to trade is up to you. For me, actually, personally, if I need to take any decision, I'm looking for the buy setups only, even if market will break this low. Make sense? So for USOIL, I'm looking for the buy setups from current levels or from under this low to the upside. Why is that? Because market has to give us a wave similar to this one minimum, or it will give us an impulsive wave to the upside. Okay? In all the cases, I'm looking for my buys only. Dorian, I really hope a lot of you guys took the buy here, because actually someone was commenting on last video, like you are saying Dorian will push to the upside and market has fallen. Guys, it's not about like if I say market will be pushing to the upside, on Monday morning market will start to push up, all right? So please do not follow anyone blindly. Do not just put comment just to put them. If your comment has actually no sense, please do not put it, all right? So try to understand the structures before you comment. And if you don't know how to trade correctly, try to learn, try to understand why we're expecting market to go up, okay? So for this one, after this drop, if you were in the sell, you must have made money. There's no way to get any loss here, okay? Now, after this drop, last week on Sunday session, we were expecting market to push up for most of the yen pairs. And also this was actually like more than one yen pair. were our trades of the week. If I go to the dashboard just to show you, look at this one. So we're expecting this the trades of the week of last week, by the way, November 19th. If you go to the dashboard, you can see this one. We set Swiss yen to the upside, Euro yen to the upside, pound yen to the upside, and of course, dollar yen as well. So market went to the upside here. If you are in the buy, make sure to move your stops and manage your trades. So in all the cases, if you are following us for the drop, you must have made money. And if you are following us for the buy, you must have made money as well. So that's the power of reading the structure, knowing what market will be doing next, and why market is pushing to the upside. Again, I'll be revealing actually more stuff today because, like I said, it was like, it has been few weeks where I'm not able to go live with you, but why we're expecting market to push up, it was due to JXY index. So if you go to JXY, which is the Japanese yen index, we can see here that market, this was actually the upwave that we're expecting to the upside from here. You can see that market might go down to break this low once more. It's a possibility. If this happens, all yen pairs will go up to break tops once more. I'm repeating, I'm not supposed to share this, guys, but again, this is one time. It's not every week I'll be sharing this one with you. So for this one, if actually Japanese yen index will go to the downside, dollar yen will push up, and so forth, all the other yen pairs. Okay, back to the charts here. Dollar yen, if market will correct and drop for the yen index, market give us a corrective structure here. Want to push up to break the top. All of you who are in the sell, you must have made money. Okay, I've made a lot of money here. I think this was posted on Telegram as well. And for this one, I really hope all of you who trade dollar yen also get into the buy, especially weighted waivers. Okay, if not, wait for the corrective structure. One push up will be coming. This upwave with the levels will be covered during our Sunday session by T. Okay, so where the market will be going next, where market will correct to, and all these actually details. But the big picture is this one and is still intact. Even if market push to the upside to break this top, one push down will be coming. So the drop will be coming regardless. Okay, now how today within this wave, that's actually the power, that's the experience, and that's the power of knowledge. Exactly, guys, for dollar yen before I jump to the next pair. Yes, exactly, even CAD yen. Guys, is that here for dollar yen before I go to the next pair? Yep, fantastic. All of you are watching, guys. If you can give us thumbs up, and once the stream will be finished, if you can leave a comment, this will be appreciated. Okay, so no problem at all. DXY again. I really hope like I can go and let me go for it. It's not a big deal. Again, because most of you are liking and commenting, and you deserve this. This is the bigger picture for DXY, by the way. Okay, this is one possibility. I don't want you actually to just follow this one blindly, because the structure can easily change. Okay, so this is an expanding flat as well for DXY, expanding flat formation. And it is one possibility. Why is that? Because the C wave of this expanding flat, it can extend. It can extend for what? For bigger picture is this actually. Corrective structure drop and then upwave, corrective structure upwave before the next drop. This one, I want you to forget about this now because it's too early and the structure can change. Okay, I'm just showing you the possibilities for now and one of the structures. I go to the, just to zoom in here to explain you what's next for DXY. In all the cases, I'll be looking for the buy setups. From current levels, again, remember we are at the end of the month and the last week of the month. So what you have to focus on is very important to focus on the learning process, okay? This was a corrective structure. This is an expanding flat here. Drop, up, corrective structure, up. This was clear to us, and some of us took the sell. And I hope all of you remember this drop as well. That was covered on our Saturday session and on our Sunday sessions as well, okay? Those of you who don't know where to find the recordings, you go to the YouTube channel here. I believe it's here. You go to our YouTube channel, and this where you can find actually all the previous videos. Here, this one, this by the way, the Wednesday example, this is the previous video, and these are the previous live sessions here. Okay, so this was explained in detail that we're expecting market to fall, and we are biased to the downside. After that, we're biased to the upside. Market give us a small corrective structure drop, and then this upwave. If you made money scalping this upwave, fantastic. If not, do not miss the next upwave. market can push to the upside from here or from under this low. All right, Alan, two scenarios, what to do? I'll be looking for the buy setups only, okay? Some of you might be in the sell, perfect, you manage your trades. If you have different bias, you go for your bias. I am biased to the upside for market to give me a wave similar to this one, minimum. So this wave, it can be started from here, which is not clear for now, and it can give us corrective structure, one more drop, and then the next up wave. In all the cases, I'll be trading the up move for the XY from current levels or from under this low. If market go down to break this low, it will be even better. Okay? So if you want actually, or if I have to take decision where to buy from current levels or from under this low, I'll choose under this low. Why is that? Because here we have liquidity, and if market will break this low, perfect. It will be even better. Now, of course, we can get our buy setups here, and if we get that, we'll go for the buy. But for now, we don't have the buy setup yet. Make sense, guys, regarding the XY? Before I go to euro dollar, in the chat, please. I'll be waiting, guys, for a few seconds before I continue to euro dollar. Is that clear for the XY? I'm biased to the upside. I'm looking for only my buy setups. And if you are in the sell, you just need to manage your trades and move your stops. Perfect. Don't worry, guys, about I would say the beginning of the stream. Our team will try to cut this one anyway, and we'll start from where actually the stream was good. Okay. So euro dollar for this one, same structure as the XY. If I go to the 4 hours, we've got this up wave. It was textbook pattern to us, and I'll show you here some of market makers manipulation and market makers actually framework, so you know what to do next. After this up wave, market gave us a drop. Some of the traders, some of Elliott waivers will consider this as impulsive move. It is an impulsive move, but it's not the first wave of the next structure. We've got a correction here. Even wave analysts, they will not know that this is not the wave, okay? We've got a drop, corrective structure, and drop to break this low. Why this important? Because here, market makers, they took everybody out. All who were buying, selling, all of them are out here, okay? Most of retail traders, okay? So why is that? Because this was the structure. Up, drop, this was an expanding flat here. Up again, drop, this was another regular flat here, and the market started to push up to continue for another wave, okay? So for this one, market was clear to us that it will be pushing to the upside. We've got this up move, corrective structure, up, corrective structure, up. If you want to trade the trend correctly, your stop loss, if you are buying here, should be under this low and not this low. Why is that? You need coaching, guys, to know why is that. You need to join WTW membership to learn every single wave and every single move and all the strategies anyway. Okay? So up, corrective structure, it was again clear, and this sharp up wave. Corrective structure, up. Market, we've got here a drop, pull back, and the market is pushing to the upside. What's next, Alan? Same thing as the XY. Two possibilities. Either market will fall from here or will go up to break this top, and then another drop will be coming. In all the cases for euro dollar, I'll be trading the drop. I'll be trading the down wave. If we get a sell setup, I'll go for it. If not, I'll go for the sell above this top. Now, very important, I would say, announcement. Never ever jump in, guys. Do not jump in and do not follow us blindly, because the way market it moves, it can change the structure easily in few hours. And that's why we have the daily sessions to update you. And that's why if I can see a change of structure here, you might not be able to see it if you are not with us. You get what I mean? So if I see a change of structure here, you will be jumping into the sell because Alan is saying market will be falling. And if market will keep pushing to the upside because of a trend continuation pattern or because of a change of structure, you'll be losing and you will blame us later on. Never ever do that. Okay, that's why seek for knowledge and do not just look for signals or look for free stuff. Make sense, guys? So for this one, I'm looking for the sell setups only. The levels will be given by T tomorrow on Sunday at 1 p.m. UK time for weighted waivers. Is that here for you, dollar? Before I go to the next pair? I'm not sure how many are watching at the moment, guys, but if all of you can give us a thumbs up and can like the stream, this will be appreciated. Again, is that here before I go to the next one? Right, 137 are watching at the moment and just 66 likes. Guys, this is unfair, right? Come on, let's push this to 100 before I continue. I'll be waiting for just a few seconds. Let's push this guys to 100 likes. Yes, clear, perfect. On the live stream on YouTube before I continue. 75. Come on. It's fine. Just like some sort of interaction. I'm here to do just some sort of, I'm asking for some sort of interaction. Because first of all, this will be actually, it will motivate me first. And second of all, it will help YouTube algo to share this forecast to more traders. Okay? Come on, guys. More likes. 81. Let's put this to 100. It's just like one click. 142 are watching at the moment. It will take just one click from you. All right? Perfect. Perfect. Great. So pound dollar for this one. Market gave us a corrective structure, pretty clear one, like I would say very beauty corrective structure, guys, because this is exactly what we were waiting market to do. And like for this one, most of retail traders, they look for, or like those who trade candlestick patterns, I'm not criticizing, I'm just explaining, they'll be waiting for this pattern, which is like the pin bar. You have seen that a lot on Facebook, on YouTube, on like this fancy thumbnails. This will not work, guys, without understanding the structures. And this one will not have any value if you not understand what the market is doing and what market makers are doing. Okay, because a lot of times you will get actually this pattern where the market will just keep going in the same direction. As example here, this is a pin bar, right? As example, you can consider also this one. It's a doji, but just the same thing. This one as well. If you took this side to the downside because of the pin bar and expecting market to go down to break this low, you will lose. So without understanding market structures, this is not actually how you should trade. So number one thing you have to do is to understand market structure, guys. Okay, get the knowledge. Again, it's one-time opportunity. Grab it. It's just for the next 5 traders. So if you grab this one, you will actually you will save a lot of money, because this offer, guys, is just one-time offer. It will not come anymore. It will not come again. Okay, so back to this one. Pound dollar, we've got this up wave. We're waiting for market to give us a corrective structure and up again. Also, this was one of our trades of the week covered during our last Sunday session. Back to this one here. Trades of the week, pound dollar, corrective structure, up again. So we're waiting market to go up and break this top once more. Okay, so corrective structure. If you are not happy with this one, RD, you can just unsubscribe, man. No harm actually, yeah, and no actually hard feelings. So corrective structure, up again to break this top. If market will do that, we'll be looking for the sell setups. Okay, I'm biased to one more drop for pound dollar, and I'll be looking for the sell setups. We are trying to help our traders as much as possible. So if you are not happy, you have a lot of other free channels. Okay, so pound dollar, bigger picture. Someone is saying this one. A big picture, GU please, Andre. I'll give you this one. Weekly chart. This is the weekly chart for pound dollar, and it's very important to show you also the bigger picture here and to show you the power of understanding the patterns. Okay, from here we've got actually a drop, up, corrective structure, drop, another corrective structure. This is called a running flat, and then a drop. This is 5-wave structure. In all the cases, I'm not expecting market to break this low anymore. This is the low, so I'm expecting market to push to the upside. Okay, now is market ready to go to the upside from here? I don't think so, because this is the bigger picture and the market is actually building the structures, and you can trade every single wave, okay, within the structure. Now, what I wanted to focus on is the fractal nature of the market, and that's why it's really important to understand and learn structure and only learn wave analysis. Anything else, guys, is just waste of time. With full respect to all of you, trade other methodologies, other strategies, SWIB levels, price action, chart patterns, head and shoulders, double tap, candlestick patterns, whatever. Yeah, smart money concept. If you just focus on these without understanding structures, you'll be losing again and again. So don't waste your time and money anymore. Focus on the learning process. Okay, what do we have here? We have this drop, we have this corrective structure. This is the bigger picture. This is pound dollar weekly chart. All right, again, I will not do this every time, guys, just like one time, because a lot of you are waiting for the live session, and here we are in it again. This is actually a corrective structure. It's the fourth wave corrective structure. It's a running flat. Inside this running flat, we have what? We have an expanding triangle. This is called expanding triangle, guys. Okay, just I'll change this one for you so you'll be able to see it. And how actually we label expanding triangles? We always label them as A, B, C, D, E. Okay, we have expanding flat and we have expanding triangle. What's the difference? Expanding flat is 3-wave corrective structure. Expanding triangle is 5 waves corrective structure. Okay, so this, guys, how you need to memorize the patterns, how you need to memorize the charts, how, like, even inside this one, I'll be able to show you another. Why I'm showing this one? Because to show you how much experience is important. And if you focus actually on the patterns, you will know each pair what pattern is doing. Okay, so if I zoom into the daily now, no problem. It's actually Thanksgiving, right? So happy Thanksgiving, guys, for all of you who are celebrating it. So for this one, I'll show you also another structure for this one, just to show you again the power of structure. Most of you have seen this expanding flat on the bigger picture, right? If I zoom in here, there was another expanding triangle here. There was another expanding triangle in this wave. Okay, so this is the power of the fractal nature of the market. Just go to YouTube, guys, and search about fractals. Just in general, you will know what I mean by fractals. Okay, just search for fractals. You will be actually amazed like how the fractals works. Okay, and this is also the power of the fractal nature of the market. I'm repeating that. This is very important to understand the fractal nature of the market. So market moves in waves, within waves, within waves. All right, what are the waves? They are just the mass psychology of all market participants. If you know how retail traders behave and market makers' footprints, you will be able to understand the bigger picture and know where the market will be going next with a high probability chance. Just focus on my words, guys, because it's very important. High probability chance. Okay, so for this one, let me just actually block this user because it looks like he's not happy here. So for this one, we've got a running flat, a drop, another running flat here also. Okay, drop, we've got a running flat here, up, corrective structure up, and market is giving us the first wave of the next structure. This here is the first wave of the next structure. Okay, now zooming in, what do we have here? I'm expecting market to give me a corrective structure in this zone. After the completion of this corrective structure, the levels will be given by T on Sunday session. Okay, so if market give me a drop, one will push up, another drop will be coming. Okay, I'll be happy if the market will go down to break this low once more to accumulate the buys, because I'm waiting to buy pound dollar. I took some buys. We traders, they know that I like pound dollar a lot, and I traded a lot as well. So for this one, in all the cases, this is actually part of the corrective structure. The structure is in the making, but you can trade every single move here within this structure. How to do that? Follow us on every Sunday session, Wednesday update, and the daily sessions as well to get the updates about where the market is going next. Okay, if you cannot actually afford to join us, just go for the Saturday sessions. But I'll not be giving these explanations on every week. It's just special for this week because of the Black Friday. Okay, so for this one, up, running flat, up, regular flat, and then up again. The structure is in the making. Back to the 4 hours. What market is doing here? I'm expecting market to give me a corrective structure, one push up, and then the drop to start. I'll be focusing on the sell setup because this sell can take us all the way down to break this low and this low once more. Okay? So which wave to trade is up to you. If you took the buy, perfect. If you are waiting for the sell, also it's good. I'll be waiting for the sell setups personally. Clear, guys, for pound dollar? Is it clear, guys, for pound dollar? Come on. Yes, I'm waiting just for a few seconds because usually there is a delay between my stream and between actually I can see your chat. Okay, is that here for pound dollar? Fantastic. Guys, this is recorded, and the reason for this being recorded is for you to watch it again as much as you want and take notes, okay? But also, if you can watch it from more than one device, give us thumbs up, and once I finish the stream, if you can comment, this will be appreciated. Just some sort of thank you for WTW team, because there is a team working behind actually the scene, right? It's not only one person. It's not one-man show, all right? So for this one, Aussie dollar, we've got this up wave, pull back up, also drop up, pull back up. What's next, Alan? we might get a drop from here or corrective structure push up and then a drop. I'll be focusing on this wave personally, this wave and this wave. All right. Any up wave from here, I will ignore it for now. New Zealand dollar the same. I'll be waiting for market to give me actually a drop from here. And it will be better if we get one push up before the next drop. Okay. Now this drop, it can just stop here, guys, before the next up wave. Why is that? It might give us a running flat. Okay. All of you know now how the running flat will look like. And this is what market might give us for New Zealand dollar. Exactly, guys. Personally, I'll be focusing on the sell setups first as a short-term trade. And Nayan, I think what I'm giving is already too much. Yeah. Thanks for your understanding, but giving signals here, it will never be the case. And you should not aim for it, please. Okay. Pound yen, one of also the trades that we're focusing on. And again, back to the dashboard. Go to this one. You can see that this pound yen, we're expecting market to push up. Back to here, up, corrective structure up, corrective structure up. This was a crazy trade to the upside, and a lot of traders, a lot of weighted waivers, I would say, have made a lot of money trading this up wave. It was crazy move. What's next, Alan? No buy setups to me from current levels anymore. All what I look for is the sell setups, but do not jump in. Wait for the setup before you actually go into the sell. I'm looking for sell setups here for pound yen because this up wave has to give us a drop. But don't be surprised if market pushes the upside 500 pips before the fall. If this happens, I will ignore any buy setup here and I'll be focusing on the sell setup only. That doesn't mean that I'll be right. That doesn't mean that I'm controlling the market. I'm just waiting for market makers to step in and just drop the market. So your job, guys, is to follow what market makers are planning to do and try to participate. It's not about fighting the market. You can never ever fight the market. This shouldn't be the case. Okay. Now, emotionally, trading is a tough business. Okay. It will become easy only after you learn how to trade correctly. Now, even if you need time to master yourself, because being a successful trader is not something easy. You will become more mature. You'll actually become more calm. You'll have actually your master patience, and this will reflect on your life as well, guys. Okay. Successful traders, they know what I'm talking about. Okay. So for this one, if you want to achieve financial freedom, you have to learn how to trade correctly. We are at this stage at the moment. Okay. I'm personally at this stage and I'm very happy with what I'm achieving and I'm very happy with my life actually. Okay. Because imagine buying anything you want without looking at the price. Okay. So for that, if this is what you want to achieve, it's not about money actually, it's about the time, guys. Okay. So money, once you start actually to make money and you start to achieve financial freedom, you will have time actually to spend with your family. You will have time to do whatever you like to do, to travel, because traveling is, some of you actually, I would say a lot of you will like travel. I like travel a lot. So imagine if you would like actually to go for a holiday without having a bus, you can go to any holiday, to any actually, I would say country you want the next day for 1 week, 2 weeks, 1 month, whatever. So this actually what you should aim for. Okay. Imagine your family actually is like you are the first millionaire in your family. If you can achieve that, you can do it. Okay. That's the main point. What I will actually say to you. If we can do it, you can do it. If I can do it, you can do it too. And the point is, you have the opportunity. Grab it and try to join, because this is the only way for you to learn from weighted waivers and to learn from weighted waves coaches. Okay? Back to the charts, pound yen, I think this is clear. This is what I'll be focusing on. But again, the structure can change, and we can have a lot of minor structures and minor waves that will be trading to the downside and to the upside as well. Personally, I'll not be focusing on the buy setups from current levels. Buys were from lower levels. If I go to the 1 hour here, buys were from lower levels, and now any extension of this up wave, it will be just to complete bigger picture, touch some numbers, I would say some levels. I will not reveal them here. They'll be revealed tomorrow on Sunday session. But in this one, if market push to the upside, will push to the upside slowly, it will be perfect. Once market reach the levels that we're waiting for, the drop will be coming. Is that here, guys? Ash Balut here to support. Fantastic. Thanks to the team. Great. Thank you very much for that. Albert, yes, great. Guys, is that here for pound yen before I start the dollar CAD forecast? This is on dollar weekly. If Nazir, it's not about head and shoulders pattern, actually. Wiska, what is the average risk to reward and profitable percentage of the trades? Again, it's not about signals. If you're looking for signals, we do not give signals, okay? So once you join us, you will learn how to make 10 to 1, 7 to 1, 8 to 1 from one single trade, and even more if you know how to write the trend correctly, okay? So it's not about us giving you the signals. It's about you learning how to trade correctly, predicting the next wave, and trade the next wave correctly. That's the main point, all right? Hope this is clear. Dollar CAD for this one, market actually went to the upside. It gave us a corrective structure, and then the drop. All of you, I would say, who were watching the Sunday session and Wednesday session for weighted waivers, you remember that we're expecting CAD to push up, which means Euro CAD to the downside, dollar CAD to the downside, pound CAD to the downside, and a lot of weighted waivers were selling those as well. And if you made money trading this one, fantastic. Okay? Now, corrective structure, drop, contracting flat, drop. What market is doing here? I'm expecting a corrective structure drop and then another upwave to start. This is the wave and this is the move that I'll be trading for dollar CAD. Okay? If I get a buy setup under this low, I'll be looking for the buy setups. Again, the levels will be mentioned by T. Will this be one of our trades of the week? All of this will be covered in detail by T during the Sunday session for weighted waivers. All right, guys? Silver, this was perfect actually for investment. A lot of you actually looking to invest in this one or have already invested. What after this up wave? We've got a corrective structure up, drop, up, corrective structure, and up again. This up wave, we can get a correction, another push up. So the next wave for silver is to the upside for me. If market give us any other structure, we need to really see how fundamentally this will play, because we need to follow the fundamentals, the war situation, macroeconomic factors, and a lot of other factors that actually will be included within the price movement of silver. Okay, so for this one, based on the current market condition, based on the current time frame, and based on what market is giving us right now, I'm expecting a corrective structure, one push up. If you are trading this one push up is very possible. If you want to scalp the downside, it's up to you. Remember, one possibility is this going all the way down to break this low once more. But I'll leave this one for the Sunday session for more explanation. Bitcoin, market is pushing to the upside and again, falling. What's happening here, Alan, and what is the real deal? You know that I'm waiting for market to break these lows. Sooner or later, market will break these lows, okay? Now, I don't want you actually to miss this up move if market will not break this low. We have a 80% chance that market will be going to the downside and break this low. The unknown factor is the time, okay? The timing is the unknown factor for now. But I'm expecting market to break 33K level, I would say, even this level to be broken before the next upwave. Okay, so I will wait for market to give me this drop before the next upwave for Bitcoin. Now, Alan, how far this can go to the upside? If this will push like that, well, it's nothing related to technicals. Technical analysis, wave analysis is saying that market will either be giving us some sort of a slow move to the upside before the drop or a drop from here to the downside before the next upwave. Trading, I do not trade Bitcoin. I have some Bitcoins actually as investment and I'm buying. I'll buy more from these levels personally, okay? From 33K and even lower. If market push to the upside from here, let it go up without me, okay? This is what I can see for Bitcoin and I'm expecting market to go down to break these lows sooner or later. I hope this will be as soon as possible so we can take advantage of this drop to accumulate the buys and go for this upwave, okay? Is that here for Bitcoin, guys? If you want to sell this one as a trader, if you are trading this one and you want to sell it, you go for it. I'm not trading Bitcoin, but if some of you is trading Bitcoin, you go for the sell setup, no problem with that. Make sure to have a good risk to reward before you sell this. You have 30 for this one. Anytime market can start to give us a drop, okay? In all the cases, regardless if this is the last wave of the structure or this is the first wave of the next structure, a drop will be coming. I actually cannot be more clear than that. In all the cases, anytime we get a sell setup, we will go for it. All right? As simple as that. Even the bigger picture for this one, I can actually give it to you because a lot of you are trading US30, but I will leave it for weighted waivers for tomorrow's session. Okay? So again, thanks for your understanding, but I cannot reveal too much, guys, just to be fair for all the paid members and all weighted waivers. I cannot reveal everything. If you want to actually get the idea what is the bigger picture for this one, you can join us and watch the last Q&A session that is on the dashboard, or you can watch actually the Sunday session that will be conducted by T tomorrow at 1 p.m. UK time. All right? So for that, guys, I think it's clear for US30. Now, I'll just go for more questions for the next 5 minutes only. If you have any question, please put it in the chat. I'll answer what I can answer on YouTube chat, and I'll leave the rest actually for T to answer them tomorrow during the Sunday session. That will be for weighted waivers only. Again, this offer is just for the next 5 traders. If you go for the yearly, you will get the max saving. I'll wait for 5 seconds just to wait for some questions if you have in the chat, and after that, we'll end the session, guys. I think it will be nice if I levels just one trade on this YouTube for I can. It's actually not about you be confident to join us or not. It's actually about you be confident on yourself and believe on yourself, like if you really want to be a serious trader or not. Okay, for us, we have a lot actually of trader, 1,500 traders actually recommending weighted waves. If this is still not enough, I'm afraid like it will never actually be the case for you. Okay, so please, it's only for serious traders. If you are serious about trading and you still don't believe on wave analysis, go watch some of our previous videos. Go to our website, see some of the testimonials. All are our members. Okay, just to let you know, nothing is paid, because on Trustpilot even you cannot do it. If you read them, actually, you know, like none of them are paid. We don't do that anyway. I don't know what is the maximum level of Swiss yen can go to. Well, Swiss yen, Jatin, I will wait for the sell setups personally, even if market will push to the upside. But it's very good you ask about this one, because I need to mention one thing for all of you are still watching till now. Every time, guys, they will wait. They actually, they will be planning to drop the market. They will make sure that everybody is out. And this everybody is out. It can be 1,000 pips to the upside before the drop. This is very, very important to understand and also know. Why is that important? Because I don't want any one of you to trade without stop loss, regardless of your account size and regardless of your position size. Look at this one. Market can do exactly the same before the next drop. I'm biased for upside till now, okay? But would I look for buy setups? The buys were last week. If you are in, just keep managing your trades, okay? Swiss yen, I'm biased to the downside, but we are waiting for some levels, okay? Those levels are 175 first. Okay, if market will tap this level, we'll look for sell setups from there, which is actually 600 pips to the upside. Is it a buy setup from me? We've got a buy, and we are already in the buy to the upside. Okay, but I have mentioned this one for all of you to just pay attention to this and never ever trade without stop loss. Okay, I can give you examples. Go to pound O's as example, and look what is happening here or what has happened here. If I go to this is daily chart. Look at this one. This was in few minutes, by the way, okay? This is 1,000 pips move. They can do exactly the same for any pair before they reverse it. And I'm expecting that, by the way, okay? I'm expecting to do this before they reverse any of these pairs who are overextended, okay? So this is actually overextended move, and market can keep pushing to the upside for the next 500, 600 pips. Why to jump in, trade without stop loss, thinking that market will not break this top? While market can do whatever it wants to do at any single point of the time. All you have to do is to protect your capital and try to maximize profits when you are right and minimize losses when you are wrong. Is that clear? Regarding the Swiss question, Jatin, is that clear? For now, this is up for now for me. Thanks, Alan Nayan. You have any free learning videos? Actually, all our videos are on YouTube, Weighted Waves channel. But again, if you want to learn correctly, you have to go with the step-by-step process that I give during the video. Okay, so you go for the course. It's the latest Masterclass course anyway. You watch them one by one, and then after that, you go to the Q&A sessions. You watch them one by one, and you take notes. Anyway, everything is explained here, guys, inside the dashboard as soon as you join. Okay, if you go to this one, Everything is explained here in detail, what to do in the step by step. Okay, so for this one, I think this should be clear. Right, dumb question, this literally, no problem. It's okay to ask actually a basic question. How can you add timing to know when a trade will change direction? Chadi, it's actually a big topic. I need probably 1 hour to explain that. This explained in the Q&A sessions anyway. Gold baht, it was covered. You can watch the recording once I finish the stream. Will New Zealand dollar continue buying? I covered New Zealand dollar. You can watch the recording. Entry 062. I want to hold till 611 New Zealand dollar. Yes, you can do that, but just make sure to move your stops into profit and let the market unfold in case we'll get a sudden drop. Okay. How about dollar CAD? It's already covered. Please see dollar CAD also, it's covered. UJ should hit over the huge one, or maybe 155. UJ, yes, very possible. We can get an upwave to break the top once more, but all depends on the next structure. All right, Ashbalut. So with that note, guys, I really wish you a successful trading week. You trade with care, focus on the learning process, and again, I'll just run the features of WTW membership before we end the session. Thank you very much. Speak to you later on and see you next week. In regards to the recording, it will be available in the next 30 minutes to 1 hour. Please watch it again. Take notes because a lot of things were covered. And if you can like, comment, and share on your social media platforms, this will be appreciated. Also, if you can watch it from more than one device, if you have like a mobile, if you have like iPhone, iPad, Mac, whatever, TV, just try to watch it from more than one device. Let's run till the end. This will help YouTube SEO to share it to more traders. Thank you very much, guys. You trade with care, and see all of you next Saturday. Guys, WTW membership is an all-in-one solution for serious traders like you. So if your goal is to become an independent, successful trader, succeed in trading, and achieve financial freedom, our mission is to help you with that. You can check all our success stories here and on our social media platform. What will you get with WTW membership? Access to the latest WTW Masterclass trading course. Summarized course lesson notes in different languages: English, Spanish, French, Chinese, German, and Hindi. You will get access to our daily trading room live sessions conducted by our seniors and moderators. We have almost 2 live sessions per day. You will get access to our weekly sessions, one live on Sunday and one as an update on every Wednesday. This is what we will cover. Regarding Wednesday session, we have an example on our YouTube channel. During every Sunday live session, we give trades of the week, and at the start of every month, we give the trades of the month as well. And at the start of the year, we give the trades of the year. Those sessions will be conducted by T. Each month, we have our monthly Q&A live session. I will do them, and these sessions are recorded. You can find the recording archive inside your dashboard. And let me tell you one thing here, every session, guys, is a lesson. On your dashboard, you will have access to the useful links and tools. Those tools, guys, are needed. Also, we'll give you exclusive psychology tips that are updated on a daily basis. And most of you know that psychology is a big part to succeed in trading. If you decide to go for the monthly plan, in 3 months' time, you will get access to more strategies, how to double your account in only 3 trades, and access to our private Slack global trading community, where you can discuss charts, post charts, discuss setups with all our traders. Why we trade waves? We have a proof guide that you are successful traders. It's on our YouTube channel. You can see what our members are saying. We are rated excellent on Trustpilot. You can check our Trustpilot profile here, and I suggest you guys to go here and read what our members are saying. So you will have an idea why people have joined us and what they have achieved after few months. 12 plus years of experience, recommended by more than 1,500 traders, 42K plus subscribers on YouTube, and we have traders from more than 180 countries. Don't waste your time and money. Join us today and start learning how to trade correctly and become independent, successful trader.